first thing you notice when you get here is that somebody a very long time ago decided to drop a Pizza Hut in the middle of nowhere. There are literally no other businesses close by, and this place is just sitting by itself on a long stretch of highway. What's up, y'all? Ambassador Flavors, and I got another biker-friendly business for you this week. Now I am at Carreta in Marshalltown, and this place was on Food Network a couple of years ago, I think, wasn't it?
Yeah, 2019.
All right.
I think, yeah.
And basically, we're having a biker lawyer family reunion. We got Keith, who came from East Dubuque.
This is just Dave Carson, Brody Zimmerman.
And we got the Kulas that own Kula's It's Just Sauce barbecue restaurant in Walker. So that's Jason and Kaylin. All right, so y'all have had food in Mexico before.
Yes.
All right, so compare this experience to authentic Mexican food in Mexico.
This tastes like the food that we got off the food truck at one of the Mayan ruins that the employees were eating at.
Wow.
Very good.
Very good.
I was just at the Mayan ruins a month ago.
This one ranks right up there. I would come here again.
Give me some insight in this food, like from a professional
The
opinion.
presentation was gorgeous.
Yeah, the presentation
it was
was awesome.
beautiful.
Sauce was really good.
They have
That's good heat.
Yeah, good heat. They have options for if you don't like heat or you do like heat. It was so good.
Brisket tacos were really good. It'd be a little better smoked, but you could help with that.
Y'all all from Iowa, right? All right, so one thing moving from the Bible Belt I noticed about Iowa is that y'all love to drink up here. So y'all need to rate the margaritas, because every restaurant that I've seen in Cedar Rapids that's a Mexican restaurant, they get rated on the margaritas way more important than they get rated on the food. So
Bush lattes were good.
Bush lattes
Blue
were good.
agave was 10. Very good.
So, as non-restaurant owners and bikers and firemen, what is your non-professional opinion of the food here at Carreta?
Awesome. Very good. Very good.
They have a professional opinion. They're bikers. They eat everywhere. So they've probably been to the biggest dives and the highest class places you'll want to see. So they have a pretty good idea of what good food is like. So if they're telling you this food is good, it's good.
So, from biker point of view, what is this food like?
Two thumbs up. We rang the bell. The bell by the door says you like the food or the service, and they were both great. So.
Steve, tell me about the salsa here at Carreta.
You know, most of the salsa you get feels like and tastes like it comes out of a can. It tastes, it's watered down, it's just, you know. And you can tell they use fresh ingredients with this salsa. And what I like is that there's a couple different layers. Like, a lot of these restaurants, and Will, you've said this before, have like a secret menu where if you ask, they can make it happen. And these guys are kind of like that. The salsa they give to everybody is a little bit Americanized, but if you say, hey, can I get some salsa with a kick? I don't know, you're the food expert. What do you think?
There's definitely some restaurants I've been to that if you ask for the good salsa, you will get the good salsa. And this is one of them that you need to ask for the legit kicked up spicy salsa, and you will get it, and it will be good.
There's a lot of food that was brought out for us to sample and try. What did you think?
We basically got a little Mexican buffet laid out right before our eyes here. I mean, they've got all kind of tacos, and I've been to a lot of Mexican restaurants and tried El Pastor, the burrito tacos. They've got all that. They've also got a brand new taco that he called pork belly taco. Had some purple cabbage. I'm not sure what it's called.
Yeah, some kind of special spicy.
Yeah, something he made up. He's got a brand new kind of taco.
Yep.
So pork belly taco. He's got the authentic street tacos. You can get brisket in them. You can get chicken, or I'm sure carnitas, whatever. But yeah, we just had a great variety. Had excellent cheese dip with chorizo. What did y'all think about the place?
Yeah,
Very
burritos
good.
were good. It says recommend the burritos on the door, so we'll try that.
All of y'all ride bikes, because I know I've asked the Kulas this, and y'all three just look like y'all ride bikes. So if y'all were like in this area and if you were on a ride and you were getting hungry and wanted somewhere to stop and eat, like, is this the best place to stop?
It was
Right
a
off
good
of
stop.
30.
Right, it is, and it has a beautiful patio area. Plenty of room for groups of bikers. I'm sure they'd appreciate a call ahead, but even if you just stopped in, they'd probably love it.
It's
So-
really easy to get in and out.
It's
a couple
the-
miles off the highway.
And it has adequate parking for lots of bikes.
Steve, what did you think about the food here?
I love Carreta. I'm a huge fan of like the burrito mixto is what they call it, and I'm probably mispronouncing that. I don't even care. It has chicken and beef, and the flavor is good, and the seasoning is good, and so it's a place I highly recommend.
And Steve lives right here in Marshalltown, right next to the Loud Bikes and all the bikes. I'll say that one more time now that we can actually hear it. Steve lives here in Marshalltown, so he can go here anytime he wants to.
And I do.
Order up!
Taco trucks around here. I've tried just about every other place. Wait, hold on. Gotta love that sound. Gotta love that sound.
The pipes.
Oh my
Love
God.
the pipes.
Yes.
Get a little closer together. Not that close.